Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. This is Melissa from Melissa's Paper Place, and I'm here to share my 12 by 12 layout. I backed a cut file off camera, and I have just been enjoying cut files so much. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and back my photo with this tissue paper that comes in the hip kit. And this is a picture of my two youngest daughters when we were sightseeing and having a little vacation in Colorado. So super fun, and of course they're being posing and being cute. So anyways, just trimming it up. I don't have much of the tissue paper showing, and then this next paper that I'm going to put that on is just a paper pad that I picked up at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. It's called Light Bright. I've probably had it for a long time, and it has a lot of different words on the back, which I really like. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and trim that up and place it kind of in the cut file with some of the flowers popping on top and some behind, just kind of making it blend in there more. I kind of was thinking that I should have had the photo back more, but I'm probably going to put enough embellishing on the wreath around that side that maybe the black won't show as much, is what I'm hoping. Anyways, so this is how we're going to place it right there. And I do some stitching around the wreath part with my sewing machine. And I got my title from some of the cut-aparts in the hip kit. I do not know what page it was. I apologize. But it says, "Living on the Bright Side of Life." I just thought it was kind of cute and catchy. And I'm going to use it for a title. These are these three-dimensional flowers from Jen Hatfield that we got in the hip kit, and they're really super cute, lots of layers, and they also have these clear leaves that have like polka dots on them. They're super cute. And here's just some loose leaves that were in the die cuts, which I think are from Pink Paisley. I'm not sure exactly right offhand, but just trying to figure out where to place that, and it doesn't stay there. But anyways, I'm messing around with that a little bit, and then go on to looking for something else, some other things to put on. And I definitely think that that flower is too much. You know, you have one thing left. I have a lot of paper sticker pads like that. There's like one thing left on it. It's like it's not enough, but then it's too much, you know. Anyways, these beautiful butterflies. I was looking for the packaging, but they also came in the hip kit, and they are so pretty. So I go ahead and end up putting 3 of those butterflies on, and just around the wreath. And I'm just gonna go ahead and stick the leaves in here and there. I only had a few of those too, but anyway, so I'm gonna put those in, just try and glue some stuff down, or using the adhesive from my tape runner. I had cut this black page down a little bit too, like 1/4 of an inch on each side. So actually in the video I forget to back it, but then in the still photos at the end you will see that I did back that the page with this really cute paper that is like cork board looking, and it has the hexagons on it, which you can't tell they're hexagons because you only get a little bit of it around the edges to kind of frame it up and help it to look like everything's not running off your page. So I'm going to go ahead and just adhere the title down here as I said, and so I'm trying to get it straight, and I'm also trying to make it look like it's flowing or it has some kind of pattern. I end up with it kind of looking almost like a stair step off to the left there of the page. So yeah, that's kind of how everything falls into place. And then I have sequins. These are just sequins that I've picked up here and there from Walmart and Michael's or what have you. I just try and have like a variety of colors. And I'm just kind of placing them around, not in a straight row on the wreath, but kind of off and on and kiltered side to side and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just place those in the 3 places of the visual triangle where the butterflies are. That's my visual triangle. So I'm doing some different colors, gold and pink and blue. Here's some sticky, some puffy phrase stickers. And these are from Pink Fresh. The blue one says, snapshots of a great day. And then I also add a pink one from a different paper, which is Maggie Holmes. And that one, the pink one says, I love you. Then I'm going to go ahead and do Missy Whitten's The Best I Can. The Missy Whitten's tangly thread. So I have some gold thread that I've just picked up from Walmart, and I kind of try and twirl it up and put it in there, and it does get very messy. So I go ahead and put that in the 3 places. This here is something we got in the Hip Kit. They're stickers that you can color. So I'm using my gelatos, and I'm going to go ahead and do the flower. I just feel like we need some more blue big flower at the top, something substantial. Anyways, these stickers are from American Craft, and they came in the Hip Kit 1 month. I don't remember which one. So I just kind of smear it on there and rub it out with my finger, and then I'm doing like a yellow for the center, and I go ahead and get that on my finger and just kind of smear it a little bit around the edges, kind of trying to blend it together a bit. I am not at all professional or good or anything. I haven't had gelatos very long, and actually I don't think I'm super artistic as far as drawing or painting or anything. I have always liked color. Anyways, and that leaf is from the same set that I had colored, I think, earlier and didn't use it. But so I went over the gold thread, so I end up adding some more, like down where the leaf tips are, the leaf tips and the butterfly. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing now, is just adding some more gold thread because I just covered up the gold thread that I did have there. And I really like that look. I wish I would have used it around the wreath too. I think that would have been really pretty. But I had heard somebody in one of their videos say that it was kind of difficult, their machine, and to try and sew with the thread. It is quite stiff as far as threads go. But so I haven't ventured out to put it in my machine. Okay, so this is where I get messy. I get so messy. Again, the mixed media is pretty new to me. I'm just kind of trying it out and playing with it. I really, really enjoy it, but then sometimes I put it on and I'm like, oh no, what did I just do? Anyway, so this is just some acrylic paint, and I kind of add a little water to it to thin it out. And I think maybe I should have tapped it maybe differently. It might have helped. Anyway, so there's some pink splatters, and then there's going to be some white splatters. And actually I add some Heidi Swap Color Shine, and yeah, it turns out to be a fun little messy layout. I do like it. But yeah, I probably would have did things a little differently. I don't know. I just need to play around, and I have so much to scrapbook. I'm not gonna throw this out and do it over again. I'm probably gonna scrapbook the same picture for another child. Well, the other child in the photo will probably end up with it in their book, and it'll definitely look different. But I like it. That's how it looks. Those are my still shots, and you guys have an awesome day. Thank you so much for joining me, and yeah, be blessed and stay scrappy. Thank you.